Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of PSI chapter 3 code of Vit-Ap University. We'll take a look at a Java topic today. It is gonna be a easy one. And it is part of object-oriented programming. So yeah, let's see. So I think you already know about object-oriented programming in Java because it's kind of easy topic. And if you know Java, then it means you already know about object-oriented programming. But Java is 99% Java is object-oriented. It's based on object-oriented programming. So yeah, I'll start with an example today. So what I'll do first of all, I'll create a class. So let's name it T. And in this class, what I'll do, I'll create a local variable. So let's name it small t. Let's assign this value as 10. So that's it. This is my class. I won't do anything else in this class. Let me create a main method. And in this main method, what I'll do, I'll create an object of class T. So for doing that, I have to do capital T. Now I have to give it some name. So let's say T. New. I forgot this static keyword over here. So if you don't wanna use this static keyword, so what you can do, you can create a separate. You can create it separately outside of this class. So it will work either way. If you want to create this class T inside this class map, which is a main class, so you have to use static keyword. If you don't wanna have this class T inside this class app, so you can skip static keyword. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just print out. I'll call this page at T. So for doing that, but I'll do T1 dot T. So yeah, you can see it is printing out 10. It is kind of easy code, and I don't think so you have any doubt in this piece of code because it's kind of easy. And what if I do not create any object of this class T and still I wanna call it T, integer T? So you try to figure out what should we do so that we can call this variable T without creating an object of this class T. So you have 5 seconds to pause the video and post your answer in the comments. Okay, if we do something like this. So for doing this thing which I asked you, that you have to call this integer T without creating an object, we have to use static keyword. So I'll just add static over here. And now I can call this. So for calling it, it is just so for calling it, you have to do is T. Let's see. You can look at the output. It is not a bit. If I change some value, let's say I'm doing it 9485. So yeah, you can see it is printing out this value. So I hope it was clear to you guys. And what if I do something like this? I create an object of class T. I'll call this T from the end. First of all, I'm calling this T with this T dot T, and second time I am calling it to my object T. Yeah, let's try to run off. I hope it was clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. You can also rewind the video, take another look at it. You can join one of our WhatsApp groups. Because WhatsApp group, we have almost 10 WhatsApp groups. You can join one of them. We'll help you there. There is a community over there. You can ask any of our core members, Record core member, if you have any doubt. Otherwise, you can also ask your doubt in these WhatsApp groups. If somehow our Record core member they are not available for your help. So there are plenty of other people in this community who can help you. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.